The next step that we're going to take from reading the notes in the treble clef, here's your treble clef, found at the beginning of the staff. Another name for treble clef is G Clef. So we had done the lines and spaces. The lines, here's line 1, E, line 2, G, line 3, B, line 4, D, line 5, F. And then we did the spaces, starting with space 1, F, space 2, A, space 3, C, and space 4, E. Now, what I did was I combined them together. So you can see the lines and spaces in order on the staff, starting from the lowest, which is line 1, to space 1. So you see it goes E to F, and look up here, G, A, and it's going to go B to C, D, next step up E, and then top F. So these are all the lines and spaces on the treble clef, going up by what we call steps, stepwise motion. And if you look at it from the side, I say it looks like a staircase, doesn't it? And then you're stepping up the staircase, so here's your steps, going from line to space. And if you'll notice, this goes in alphabetical order. Remember, the music alphabet is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, goes back to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and it continues forever and ever like a circle, continuously. So we're going to start here on line 1. If you'll notice, the next step up is F, which is alphabetical. Then the next step up is G, etc. So you notice that it goes in alphabetical order. All right, after G comes A. So now what we're going to do is add a couple new notes today. The note right below the staff, see how it's hanging out down there below? This is a space note because there's no line going through the middle of it. This is going to be D, so that's your new note today. And then another new note, let's go down another step. What comes before D in the alphabet? C. All right, and this has what we call a ledger line, a short little line that we add. See it? There it is right there. We add that when we need it on the staff. So this is middle C. And this is the name given to the note right below the staff. And it has a special note name for that too. It's in the middle of the keyboard, in the middle of the grand staff. But for today, we're going to remember that it's right here, right below the staff. So our new notes today are C and D in the treble clef. And notice these are also going up by step from line to space. So the next thing we're going to work on is what we call a major scale. There are steps 1, let's put our C right here with our eyes. Step 2 would be D. Step 3 is E. Step 4 is F. Step 5 is G. Step 6 is A. Step 7 is B. And step 8 is C. So it has 8 steps in what we call a major scale.